cousin and I went up to the guy's house on 3rd and Inca and I knocked on the door.
Alright, so this is going to be a video inspection. 836 Santa Fe Drive, Denver, Colorado. 80204. Access point is going to be an exterior clean out in the alleyway adjacent to the building. We are lateral for the drop.
When you got mad at that dude for throwing shit in your dumpster and fell out, I was laughing, going, you know, falls in the dumpster. That was funny.
That's pretty much empty at the time.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
I made that.
So yeah, so anyway, and that's just like on my garage, one guy wrote the other thing, sorry you got to the garage, so each time I come in, one day I and she beat up younger boys, but when she got beat up by a boy who was bigger than her, then all of a sudden she's a girl. You want to hit a girl? Like, oh, you're a girl now, you're boss. So anyway, I had to do all these street tags. So I go to the street. If she didn't get Smith up there, I know she knows. So I walked over there and showed her the tag on the garage. I go, I know you know this person. And then I told her, I said, I don't expect you to snitch and tell me who they are. But you tell them, and I lifted my shirt up. I said, I got you painting on my garage at night before they're asking.
City tap installation looks good.
She didn't have to snitch who they were, but they got.
Can't really see if there's an offset at the bottom, but it doesn't look like it.
Anyway, I'll let you get back to what you're doing.
SDR schedule 40.
Man, that sucks. That they had to get on your ass for everything. Have a good one. See you later, Jeff.
Alright, sewer line from building back towards city sewer was in great condition. Gonna go back in towards building right now. Yeah.
Well, I don't have to be suing you.
Yeah, no, it all looks really good. All right, that completes sewer scope at 836 Santa Fe Drive, Denver, Colorado 80204. Sewer line is intact and in good working order. No offsets, bellies, or damage found. No lips found at city sewer tap. Everything appears to be draining and flowing appropriately and at good rate.